Hey guys, this is a video about a BMX bike. I got this from Southeast Bikes. It's an Eastern traildigger. It's the 2011 model. It's got the flat tire in the back, no treading like this front tire right here. It's flat on the back, as you can see, and the front tire has really good treading. This is a street-made bike. It's a pretty good bike. I would recommend it. It's really light. It's about 23 pounds overall. So yeah, this was my BMX bike check. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. And tell me whether I need to move my handlebars back, because they seem kind of forward and I'm not sure to move them back. So, yep, thanks.